Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling active noise cancellation in the Oneplus Buds app and phone Bluetooth menu. This gives the control you need. Once paired, open the app, check firmware, and toggle ANC on. Make sure you choose the correct ear tip size for a physical seal, because seal affects ANC effectiveness. If the app offers ANC strength or modes, set it to balanced for general use. You'll refine strength later during real-world tests. You now refine the combination of fit and software settings. Walk to a busy street and switch between ANC modes to hear differences. This helps you learn what each mode removes. Use the in-app fit test or swap tips until bass and isolation improve, because a proper fit supports ANC. Then enable adaptive or max ANC depending on your environment, and set touch controls so you can change modes quickly without digging into the phone. You finish by validating battery life and daily usage. Run long play tests with ANC toggled to compare drain, and disable unnecessary voice or automatic features to save power. If ANC stutters or fails, reboot earbuds, reinstall the app, and reset to factory settings. This clears pairing or firmware glitches. Finally, if wind or pressure appears, switch to transparency or reduce ANC strength. This preserves comfort while keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.